Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks. Hey, what's up, you guys? Thanks again for tuning in. I got a very special video today. I'm doing my first, this is my first unboxing of a new product on my channel. So I'm super excited for that. I want to give a huge shout out to Nankin Hobby. They are the ones who allowed me to do this unboxing and overview. So big shout out to them guys. I'll have the link in the description for their website, and you can go in there and pre-order yours and all that fun stuff. You can even go into the store and take a look at this actual one, because this is the demo version, so it's not actually for sale just yet. But you can put in pre-orders, and you can go into the stores and actually take a look at it and get your hands on it and see what it feels like and see what it looks like. So anyway, I'm going to do a quick unboxing, kind of show you what comes in the package, talk about some of the features and some of the cool things, and I'm going to give my opinion on what I think about it. I also did pick up this Spectrum 5000 milliamp, there we go, Spectrum 5000 milliamp 4S. Yeah, I'm going to run it straight on 4S. It can run 3S or 4S, but I'm going straight 4S because why not? I mean, that's what it's made to run, right? So anyway, we're gonna take a look at it, unbox it, go over what comes with it, and we might even be able to drive it. You know, we'll see. We'll see what happens. All right. Thanks a lot. Stay tuned. See you in a minute. We're gonna go ahead and get this unboxing started. I probably should have brought a knife out here. We're gonna go ahead and get this unboxing started. So they say you're supposed to have a cool knife when you do an unboxing, so this is what I got. So let's get it on. Oh, also you can get this from Nankin Hobby as well. Again, link in the description. Nankin Hobby. That's the place to be. Here we go. So this is the first time I've opened this. It has not been opened at all. We're gonna go ahead and do the official unboxing. Oh man. Would you look at that? Wow. Let me change up the view for y'all so y'all can see this. This thing is sick. Alright, so obviously you get the manual. Inside the manual we got so you get this is your opinion if you want to run, can you guys see that? If you want to run 3S, you change this pinion out so you can get a little bit more top end speed. You get some tools. Looks like a little wheel nut, your antenna stick, and it looks like a little dog tag. You get a little dog tag in there. I don't know if you like dog tags. So that's the manual, and then free cool brand swag just for registering. So make sure you guys go register it, and you can get some cool swag for it. All right, so that's the manual. So cool. All right, let's start here. So obviously this is gonna be my transmitter. So this is, I'm excited about this. I'm glad that we got now the new DX3, which is the new entry level or ready to run radio that it comes with. So it's pretty sick looking. I mean, it's light. I like the way it feels. I mean, it is an RTR radio, but it's got the wheel actually has rubber on it or foam on it. So that feels good. You have a switch here, A, B. You know, I'm not sure what that's for. I guess we'll figure it out. So this is where the smart battery comes into play. You can actually see how much battery you have left based on these lights. Obviously, you got your throttle limit. So if you're not ready for the full power, you can limit your throttle all you want. So you got your steering rate. So that's your ABC rate. So this does come with ABC. Again, I'll go over the specs here in a second. But it comes with ABC, so that kind of helps you keep straight. You got your brake rate, steering trim, and throttle trim. So yeah, pretty nice feeling radios. So now for the fun. Let's get this out of here. That was a fail. Do this one. This is sick. That thing is pretty. She is pretty. Man, oh man. The Losi Lasernut U4 1/10 scale 4-wheel drive rock racer. So up first we have officially licensed wheels and tires. These are the BF Goodwrench KM3. They have an aggressive tread pattern and handle any terrain. They are mounted on 2.2 race line BF Goodwrench wheels. So these are 2.2, 3.0, like a standard short course truck, but the tires are a lot taller than what you would normally get. We have hard plastic molded parts, as like vents and things of sorts on the truck itself. Check out that interior. You even got the air breather hoses. We have tried and true adjustable oil-filled coilover shocks from Losi. I don't know if anyone's ever driven a Losi buggy or short course truck. These shocks are A1. They are super smooth, soak up the bumps really easily. They're threaded, so they're fully adjustable. We've got an LED light bar, functioning LED light bar, and LED light pods. I'll show you how those look here in a second when I turn it on. Adjustable turnbuckles, so you can get your camber and your toe just right. Honestly though, from the factory they got it set up perfectly for how it should be for the way we're going to be driving it, bashing it and scale driving and things of that sort. We also come with a full set of waterproof electronics. Up first we have the Spectrum Smart ESC. This is the Firma 130 amp, which is 3S and 4S compatible. This is the same ESC that came on the DB Pro as well as the SCT Pro, and it's a great ESC. It does the job. All right, we got the 4-pole Spectrum 1900 kV motor there. 550 can. Says you can get 50 plus miles per hour with it, using the 4-cell. We got the Spectrum AVC receiver. This is the SR6100 AT. So it has built-in telemetry that can transmit back to your transmitter. That's, that goes along with the smart technology. It also comes with front, center, and rear adjustable diffs, so gear diffs, so you can change your diff weight and things of that sort if you want to get a little bit different performance. Typically with these cars, I usually go a little bit heavier in the center diff just to get more even distribution of power from the front to the rear. But again, from the factory, it's set up, pretty good, so you might be okay with how it is. But again, it's all your personal preference. Oh yeah, it also comes with full-size spare, which is removable if you want to remove it. I know some guys say that the spare can get in the way if you're doing some rock bouncing or rock crawling or things of that sort. But yeah, so it is fully removable, but it is also fully functional. Front and rear adjustable sway bars. You got your standard front sway bar down in there. Then you got this rear, almost like kind of remind you of like the Bomber or anything like that, like with the control arms and stuff like that. And the actual sway bar goes in through the body. So if you look in there, that's the sway bar down in there. So pretty sweet. Also has a little fake winch up in the front. I thought that was kind of cool. You can't see it with the body on, but it's there. All right, so yeah, let's go ahead and get this battery charged up, get it powered up, see what the lights look like, and maybe give it a quick little drive. All right, once again, this is the Losi Lasernut U4. All right, there she goes. She is ready to go. She got them LEDs. Sick.